I think it's important if you learn to turn your imagination to something three-dimensional. So today we will make this twist wing. When I put them together, become a one. We will have to use two different kinds of materials, rose gold and white gold. We will have to first sew it, then we will have to use the plier to twist it, and then hammer it with the ring mandrel. Then we will have to do the soldering. Then we will hammer again and round it, then apply the final surface treatment. You will see two different kinds of color in one same ring. I don't think my sense of beauty is good enough for a wide range of audience. I think I'm more like for a specific market. I'm not only a jeweler, I'm also a designer who creates a wider range of objects. People in Hong Kong, they don't really, they have no time to spend on this specific technique. In this generation, people can just buy and search the jewelry they want, like immediately they can get what they want. But for us, the most important thing is there's something that we are offering you may not be able to get easily on the internet. It's more like individual sense of each designer.